Hey everybody, and welcome to another edition of Where the Heck Are the Albans, and where the heck are the Albans? Well, I am out and about today on my job. I am in a town called Round Lake Beach for my work, and I'm coming to you from Blizzard Central. As you may recall on my last vlog when I was just checking in, saying hi, there was supposed to be somewhere between 1 and 15 inches. Let's see what actually came about. Ready? Check this out. We're looking at maybe an inch or so. In some parts, it wasn't even an inch. Back home in Chicago, on the north side of Chicago, we got about 2 inches. So, but that was the big blizzard. Yes, we survived. We're checking in that we survived the blizzard of February 2020. So, even the most trusted of the weathercasters, his name is Tom Skilling. He works for WGN, which is he's like the best of the best as far as weather people go. And he said it's not going to be the worst blizzard, but it is going to be significant. And he was quite wrong. And he's rarely ever wrong. But then he comes back and says, well, you know what? I'd rather have people prepared for 15 inches and not get it than tell everybody that it's going to be about an inch of snow and get 15. So I guess I can see his point there, but everybody got this one wrong. So it's, if you can call it snowing, it's still kinda snowing. I don't even know if you can see the snowflakes coming down. They're barely coming down. So, yeah. So I'm about, like I said, I'm about an hour from home. I'm almost at the Wisconsin border, and so I definitely thought there was going to be much more snow up here, but didn't happen. So that was it. So there is your weather update for the Chicagoland area. Most places, somewhere between 1 to 3 is what we got. In some places, even less than 1. So I don't think anybody got more than 3 inches around here. So that was it. We'll talk to you guys soon. If you like what you see, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below. And we'll see you guys next time on Where the Heck Are the Albans? Bye, everyone.